Good morning, GM, everybody. Pro Trader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Let me fix my hat a little bit there we go. What's going on? Hope you everyone had a great night last night. We're looking for an amazing trading day today. Why? Because we do that every single day. I got a great show for you guys today. Ooh, I hear something playing in the background. There we go. Let's make sure my YouTube was going. Hi, tubers. Got a great show for you today. Gonna do some trading. Stock market's crashing. NASDAQ, S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrials. How do you stay ahead with all the fast-moving news and markets and so many stocks? Oh, my dog's like, I know. He's barking. If your dog's barking now, it's because of me. But you need technology. You need the tools nowadays, like the Dash Trader, the Bookmap, the Tradical, the Ninja Trader, all the platforms that I use to trade. If I didn't have that, wouldn't be up to speed as far as like on the Tour de France. I always picture that with the little bike with the tires. You're not going to win that race with a beach cruiser. So you got to have the right tools and equipment to appropriately win in the market. Let's head over to the Mojo room, say hello to the team, and then first look at the disclaimer, and then we'll go check out the markets. All righty. Good morning, Mojo team. Let me go on over to the room. GM, Paul, how you doing this morning in the Mojo room?
Good morning, brother. How you doing today?
Oh, pretty good. Looks like Josh was muted yesterday. Hey, he's fixed now. Hey, Josh, what's up, Infinity?
Hey, Josh.
So what are you looking at this morning, Paul? What's going on with the markets, brother?
Well, I'm actually adjusting some settings for my footprint chart here. Been working on 2 different bots.
Nice.
Yesterday, the first NQ bot was up over $900. M&Q bot was up about $90, so equal because they're about, M&Q is 10 times less volume. And the ES bot was up, I think, a couple $100. So working on fine-tuning all those there, and what we do is we really activate them when we're getting ready to go into Heinz especially. So we look for those Heinz plays, and we look to go ahead and set them kind of like a mousetrap. It hits that Heinz, boom, it takes off, and the bot automatically kicks in, best fill price, and keeps going.
Awesome.
Wonderful.
Okay. This one I'm funded on at over 53,000. This one I'm close to 53,000. I get 361. I copy traded these 3 accounts today. So instead of making 300, I made 1,000, done for the day. So I come right here and I switch it to the simulator. So we come right here, we switch it. It'll go from black to blue. Now this called the depth of market is blue. Everything's done in simulation mode. So it'll add on to this 161,000. I started that at 100,000. So I don't risk any of the real money. I'm done for the day. I'm funded already on that account in 2 days. These I'll be funded along with it. So these 3 accounts are going to get funded in 3 days. I'll have 3 $50,000 accounts. That's with Apex. And I'm doing a webinar, guys, on Sunday. I'm doing a Webby on Sunday. That's going to be a trader challenge where I would welcome anybody that's over 18 years old. No background checks, no credit checks, no resumes. Don't worry about that. All you have to do is come to my webinar on Sunday. Descriptions below. I'm going to educate you, introduce you, and give you the opportunity to get, like I did, several $50,000 accounts. That'll cost you, that costed me $150 to get those. Now it's going to cost me another $300 once they're funded. And for under $500, I have three $50,000 real money accounts that are mine forever. I'll just keep on growing them and taking money out of them each month. It's the quickest, fastest way for passive income. And if you can do that and succeed for 6 months to a year, it could be your full-time gig. But as a part-time situation to what you're doing, there's nothing better, man. And Sunday, click below the link in the description. You can come check out the webinar. I'm going to introduce you to everything and how to do it A to Z. Get you all set up. Going through 50, 57, 50 mini Heinz, 45, 48, taking some off the table right here. One left. Going to rebuy the dip at 18. Whoops. Here's 18. Rebought 18. Very small. The low is 12. Bouncing off 07. Back in the 20s. There's 07 bounce. Nope. Come on. There we go. Back to 20. Up 100. Up 100. Again. 3 lots left. Up 50. 1 lot left. Holding it through mini 50. 57, 40. The high 73. It busts through 50. It's going to go test that 73. Buying the dip again at 18 and 07, stopping station again. Otherwise, holding this 1 lot right there. This is how we do the futures trading, guys, every day. I'm watching this stock SQQ, and when that goes lower, it'll go higher, make a green bar. When this stock goes higher, the NASDAQ makes a red bar lower, and I'm betting for this to go higher and the NASDAQ to make a red bar lower. And that's what it's doing right there. That's what I teach everybody. We all do the same thing. Here we go, entering again, 18. Very small here, very small, under 57. Come on, nope, come on. Bounced again off 7, taking some off the table here. When the whole screen goes green, I take some off the table, and there's no red. When there's red again, I start tapping and buying. It should go under 57. There we go. I'm going to do the rehinds here. And then it's going to go lower. It's going to go lower now. Told you. Going to under 80. Waiting. Using this 1 lot as a gauge, just so I could see where it's going red and green on my screen. See, it's at 80. Told you. Now I get in right here for the bounce back up at 72 to 77, which is my stopping station. I teach that in my day trading course. Getting 8, 9 lots. Going to go sell here at the top of the 70s or add a little bit more on the dip. Add 1 more. All right, so let's take some profits. $100, 102, 100. Back in the red. Click it again. Hold at 65. Go back up to 70. Oh, there's $1 million on the bid at 58. Did you see that? Got hit. $1 million just got hit on the bid at 58. I'm going to trade out of this one a little bit here. Back up in the 55s. There's 55. Taking a loss, half of it. It's the micro is 60. Got 10 left. Only down $80. That's green. There's the love the micros. Up 100. Love the micros. See, the regular NASDAQs you would have busted. It's so each swing is $10. So that's up $300 instead of 30. I'm up $70 right now, but in the NQ it would be 700. It's a much bigger, so you can't hold 5 lots of the NQ, but you can hold some of the MNQs. It's headed towards 11. I'm out. It's headed towards 11.2, which is just Hines, which is 56.45. 11,200 equals 56.45 on SQQQ. All right, let's wait for it again. Buy the dip. 56.50 towards the low. Let's get 10. I got 10. Getting more. I'm on 50. There's 50. 56.50. There's 50. Told you. $53. 4 left. Up 100. 2 left. 1 left. Holding 1. So easy, like taking candy from a baby. Let's wait for SQQ to dip again, and then we'll bang it again to go back up. I don't have to look at a chart on the NASDAQ futures or anything. All I do is look at the price of this because I know exactly what the NASDAQ's doing, the chart. And as that chart's making a green bar and you're buying, I'm selling it right into you every time. Yep. As you're selling into that red bar, I'm buying every time, slow and strategically. Yes, sir. $57 it wants back. I'm going up there. Boom. In on the 70s. Told you. 74, taking one off the table. 82. Flat. Done. I'll trade again. Do it again. On the dip, because it wants 57 Hines. Let's wait for it to dip a little bit. Dip, dip, dip. It wants to break through the top of this. Look at my Dosh trader. Right there is 57.59 range. It blows through 57.59. Ooh, boy. Here's another bottom at 50.507. See that? So here's the box Ola right here on that sucker. All right, so we got a Hines play right here. Look. Let's get a couple more. That's how I got done with all my accounts this morning, is playing through Hines. Took a big position. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 95, positive expectancy. 98. 99, I'm up 300, 400. There's the 57, taking some off the table. Told you. Now I have it boxed. Thank you, sir. It ain't getting away from the MOJ. I'm on the demo now. I can go up to 50. Let's see what happens when I go up to 50 lots for the Hines right here. Look, I'm up $1,000, just Hines. Look, I have 27 lots left. I just made $1,000. See that? 18 lots left. That's the power of the Hines. Look, I'm up $2,000 now on that trade. It's at 20. That's the power of what I teach in the Sunday course. Register below. Do what I just did. I just made thousands of dollars. I knew it would go through 57. It's the Heinz system. It's positive expectancy. Everyone can do it. I'll give you the capital, and I'll get you the capital to do what I'm doing. You don't need any of your own money. You don't need to risk any of your own money. Got 5 lot left, taking 2 off the table. Boom. Look at that. So this is my accounts for the day. I made 154. I'm funded. 52. I didn't trade these. This is my sim right here, 1,029. I just made on that one trade. I was down 200. Turned it around to make up 1,000. And I only had 4 or 5 lots. I only had like 40. Taking one off the table. See this box? I'm going to buy it back down at 55 and 50. Here's the new box. Look. See, I trade. People don't do this. They're like, oh, you know, this is what I think the SPY is going to do and the NASDAQ. And dude, I'm the only one that pulls my pants down and does this for 10 years straight. I've made 3,000 of these shows. It's going to come down to 56.26, which is stopping station 22 to 27, guys. That's our next play. That's our next play. I got 1 lot left up a hundo. You want to see here's my, and you can get funded with a couple of different firms, man. Here's my my other account. Oh, it's at 80. Right out. Made $1,206 doing that. I'm gonna close this account right now. Log into my other account. Let's take a little spooky 30-sec. Happy Halloween's coming, everybody. Subscribe to my channel so when I get live, you get notified. Plus, I'm going to be going live in the mornings and in the evenings, giving you a recap like I did how I made that great money, that great moolah jula today. You know what I'm saying? So subscribe to my channel. All righty. Yeah, read disclaimer below, guys. All right, stopping station again. I missed it at 57.20, 30. Went right back to 50. Missed it. Hesitate, you miss it. Don't miss Sunday, though. Sunday, guys. MOJO Day Trading. MOJO University presents the Day Trading Challenge. Are you up to it? Do you want to change your life? Do you want capital to trade with, not risking your own money? Listen, this is the program, the opportunity of a lifetime for you. You could change it. I'll show you exactly how, A to Z, step by step. Hold your hand the whole way. Click the link below. Register for Sunday. Grab a pen and a piece of paper. Have your credit card ready to go. Couple of hundo. You'll make it happen. I'll make it happen with you. Don't miss it. You're not going to want to. Click the link below. Peace, Pro Trader Mike. See, those are the kind of intros I like to do. I'll do a better one because I'm going to split this a bash. When I do like my intro for the Tradical, will be like during the show. I'll bang it out. MOJO Day Trading. MOJO Day Trading and MOJO University presents the Trader Challenge. I'm going to give you the opportunity, the education, the community to do exactly what I did today. Make $1,300 live in minutes right in front of you face. All you have to do is watch the course, take the course, get coached, hand, one-on-one coaching with me and my team, and you could change your life. Make $1,300 in 30 minutes times 20 days is $30,000 a month. That's $400 and something thousand a year. Hey, and if you're doing that for 6 months in a row, you could think about doing it for another 6 months. And then in a year, you'll have such a nice bank account. You'll be like, this is my full time. I've done it with MOJO Day Trading and MOJO University. Pro Trader Mike and the team and experts showed me the way. So Sunday, don't miss it. Click the link below, get registered, be ready, and I'll see you then. See how good that one was? I'm going to cut that out, and I'm going to use that, bro. Beauty. Yes, sir. Let me show you. Let me show you what my traders do, guys. So right here, there's Mini Ginny. Mike's the best because look at this guy just made today. 350, but he did it off 4 accounts. He made $1,300. Boom. Copy trading. He had one account, which was the leader account, and all these others are the follower accounts. I'll show you exactly how to do that Sunday. Link is below in the description. Get started. That's right. My name's Pro Trader Mike. I'm founder of MOJO Day Trading, and MOJO University presents you the Trader Challenge. What's that? What this guy's in right here. Boom. 4 accounts, traded today live, 350 each, banging it out. Again, 1,300, one account right there for the Moj. Paul making bank right there. That's what we do. Impressive morning. Funded right there, over 53,000, and these are very close to being funded at 300. So copy trading made right there almost $1,000 at 8 o'clock this morning. What were you doing? Getting ready for work and on the road. No, 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 not Mojo. No, no, no. Happy, happy times. Come join the Mojo room, dudes. Be happy. Happy, happy times. Dude, we're going to do the Uncle Adam play where it reverses 57 and goes lower now? I think so.
Well, if the SQQ hits the 5720s, then it's probably going to reverse Hines into 56 again.
Yeah, I think so. Let's take a look at some of my swing picks, man. And on the Tradical, see how many people looked at them. So here's my picks.
Wonderful.
I went from, let me close it, to $2,042 now. See that dip? Just played that last dip. And do it again. Taking 20 lots or 30. 20 or 30 micros, which is equivalent to 2 to 3 regulars. Let me get 10 right here. And then I'm going to get 10 either dropping to 50 or retesting 90. That's dropping. Look at the size at 50. You see that one big size at 50, dude. See that thing there? It was a 1.6, like a million shares at 58. Let's wait for it to go lower. There it is, 1.631. See it? 1.3 is going lower. See it? Woohoo! There it is. I'll buy a little with him just in case he doesn't get filled all the way. Nice, dude. He's up there where those guys are. There's the 58. He just got filled again. See him? I'm not getting tricked. Taking 10 off the table right here, up 200. 9 left. 8. 7. 6. Goes up higher in the 80s, holding 5. 74. 75. So watch as it goes higher, it's going to make a red bar lower on the NASDAQ. 70. I told you, 77. See that? I'm going to buy the dip again in the 60s. When I see red on my screen right here, I'm going to put one here just to mark it. So if it goes through, I'm going to add through that. We'll put one down here too and add through that if it buys it for the profit. There we go, filled. I'll put another one down here. I'll put another one right here at even. It looks like it's going to want 11.2. I'm out. It may go to 11,200 again and dip. I'm going to wait for that. So if this dips, that's going to rise to 11,200. It went to it the other way, actually. Paul's on the sidelines right now. Ninja's not working. Logged in, but charts are frozen. Okay. I'm up $2,161. Yes, sir. All right, here's 72 again. I'll take 68 again. Yep, that's what I'm thinking right there. That's why I got it. I'm taking a little bit right up there, and then it's going to dip back. It's going to 50s and dip back down. Because we're like barely green on the NASDAQ here. So the strength is with the month today, is to stay short. See how much money I'm making, dude? Every time it dips, it rises back up. The probability of that is very high versus the probability of doing it the other way and going long. Look how much I'm up now, 90. Look at that last trade. Beauty last trade. And that's exactly what I'm going to be teaching on Sunday and showing you this opportunity to do exactly the kind of trading that I'm doing live today and the rest of the chat room. It's very, very simple. Look, close it out. Up 2,336 trading right there. Just went through Heinz 57. Exactly making money. You join, you do the same, you make the same moolah jula. Nice Heinz 57 right there. 5708, 5709, 5710. How you doing, Brad? How long you been funded? How long you been with Mojo? On subscription. Let's see. How long, mister? Huh? 6 years, folks. Yes, sir. How's the funded trading going? You becoming a master of the trade? And you too, folks. See, he's been with Mojo. He's not on an annual subscription. You can be on an annual subscription coming up on Sunday. I'm going to throw that offer in at the end. Links below in the description. You're not going to want to miss that deal, dude. Totally not. 5680, dipping down like a dipping nipping, taking it at stopping station right here, dudes. Launch for the move back to 57, 90s. There's 88. Told you, taking profit again. See, dude, you're clipping phone calls. Mojo's clipping dollar bills. You see that commercial where the money's flying out of his pocket and shit? You know what I'm saying? Money's flying all over the damn place. That's what Mojo's doing right there. Watch that sucker. Money bag flying. Come on, dip. Market wants to go green. Stupid. So stupid. The market's so stupid. Yeah, give me a follow on my channel, guys. Yo, the market's so stupid, dudes. Needs to. Yes, sir. All right, here we go. I got 10. Up 50. I'll take 50 bucks, dude. That's 50 right there. Ooh, let me shit back on my screen. All right. Ooh, there's the dipping chicken. Nice. See, it wants to go green, the market down 6. Doesn't fool me though. I got 50. Where'd it stop? 34? See, watch, I trade out of it. See? Taking loss on the way down. And I'll rebuy it and trap it back on the way up. Every trade doesn't have to be a huge winner. Let's see if it dips back down towards 56. Did. Look at how fast that's moving. All right, I'm in. Here's the green. Love the micros. Can't do that with anything else. No way. Turned a losing trade into a winning trade because of the micros. And I took loss on some of it too. Now you have a nice box on it. You know where it went to on the low? Right there, which was 55.90, and then it rehinds. So let's see if it goes back there. Yeah, you can just box trade this thing. See that went through the bottom of that line, but then it's going to come right back and stay in this little box, up and down, triangled. Yep. Let's get down to like 3, 1. All right, let's see if it dips back down towards 56. We'll crunch it again. There's the red. This will be the last trade live, and then I'm shutting it off. Where's Uncle Adam? Is he here? Is going to 56.50? That's what I think right here. Da, 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 da. See, the Dow went green, up 27. Comp's still down 22. All right, guys, I'm going to shut it off. Go back and talk to the room, and probably see you tonight. Give you an update if anything big changes. But peace! Keep it profitable, guys, and thanks for watching the Mojo Show. If you have any questions, just contact me. All the information is below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified.